Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be doing the third Scribble Snowflake, and I'm just going to go ahead and line this one up. The folded piece of paper. I'm just going to add a staple. I actually don't like how that went, which, I mean, this could happen to you too, so we're going to go ahead and we can just tear that off because it's in an area that doesn't really matter. And we're going to try again. So here we go. We're going to line it up a little bit better with the point down here. There, that looks a lot better. Okay, this time we're going to be accessing the interior space by using a paper punch into these teardrop shapes. And we'll just use the paper punch for the bottom of the teardrop. And then we'll go ahead and we'll take our scissors and we'll just come in and we'll just smooth out that side and come up to the point. We'll do the same on the other side. Just smooth out the side and come up to the point. Always be careful not to tear. Sometimes we have to go back in. Sometimes we didn't get through all 12 layers. It is a lot of layers. I do have videos on how to fold, and there's directions on how to fold on my website. I'll go ahead and look on the back to see how it went. And then we'll go ahead and come here. We'll go ahead and cut out this side. And we'll come finish smoothing out this one. Again, we'll check on the back and see how it went. Looks like it could be just a teeny bit smoother here, so let's see if we can smooth this out just a little bit. You don't have to be super precise about this. Sometimes I get a little bit too picky. Takes away from some of the fun of it when you get too picky. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and we'll just go ahead and take this part out. Do the fussiest parts first, so that's why we took out those interior spots that we couldn't reach from the outside with our scissors. We took those out first. If you are comfortable using an X-Acto knife or a craft knife, that's fine. I just usually use scissors because we are trying to keep it family friendly. Now right here you can see I got really close to this edge with the point of my dewdrop, so I'm going to leave just a little bit extra space here just to make sure that if the paper shifts I don't lose it. Just be kind of mindful on where the paper is. It's another reason for cutting out the tricky parts first. So make sure you give yourself some room for error. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead, trim off the end. Let's see if we can find that point. There it is. Okay. There's the center. Move some of this out of the way here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start. And remember, we're very, this is meant to be challenging, so we do have very thin lines that if the paper shifts on us, we could lose parts of our snowflake. So we do need to go slow. Just be mindful of where the paper is, all the layers of the paper, because it's very easy to lose something out of the middle or something from the very back. Just be mindful of that. Use extra staples if you want, use extra pieces. Make sure that those back pieces aren't sneaking in under the blade of the scissors. You can see my oops from number 1 of the scribbles if you want to see what happens when the side piece sneaks underneath your scissor blade. You just alter it and just make do. It actually turned out kind of cool. You'll have to tell me which one you like the best. I could backtrack out here and come into this point, but I'm a little worried about how the paper is going to shift. So I'm just going to keep my scissors here. Try to keep my scissors here and keep the same point, and then slowly work my way out, trying to keep track of all those layers and trying not to catch any of the layers behind that I've already cut out. Okay, I should be on the home stretch here, but still watch your layers just in case you don't want to lose it here at the end. It's always heartbreaking when you accidentally catch the loop or something in your scissors, and you've done so well and then you just catch a little piece of it and it rips. All right, let's go ahead and open and see how it turned out. There we go. Thank you for watching.